Oh. How you been feeling, man?
Good.
Excellent.
So good.
Excellent.
I feel like the tension's reduced a lot
Good.
in my shoulders.
Start here. A nice breath in. Let it all go. Shoulders relaxed. Good. All good?
So good.
Take a breath in and let it go. Beautiful. One there. Breath in and let it go. Nice. Bounce it. This one here. This one here. And down here. Take a breath in. And all floppy. Let it go.
Oh.
Let it go.
Oh. So amazing.
Excellent. Go on to this side, thank you. Everything this way. Let me get rid of that. Breath in. And let it go. All floppy.
Oh.
And let it go. All floppy.
Oh.
All
Oh. Oh.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Great. And we sit up. And elbows forward, head down. It's all floppy. There you go. Take a breath in. And out. Let it go. Coming back. And relax. And then tilt your head to the side and back. And keep that going.
Better than any massage.
That's it. And the other side.
I can feel that.
Good. How you feeling?
On my A game now.
Beautiful. There you go.
Thank you so much, Doc.
My pleasure.
The best.